Replacing a door can make a significant difference in the appearance, energy efficiency, and security of your Birmingham home. However, many homeowners hesitate to start this project due to concerns about cost. The good news is that affordable door replacement services are available in Birmingham, offering high-quality results without breaking the bank. If you're considering a door replacement but are unsure what to expect, here's a detailed look at how these services can transform your home while staying within budget. Quality products at budget-friendly prices. One common misconception about affordable door replacement services is that they compromise on quality. In reality, reputable companies in Birmingham offer high-quality doors that are durable, energy efficient, and stylish, all while keeping costs manageable. These doors are available in a range of materials, including steel, fiberglass, wood, and composite options, each with its unique benefits. Affordable doesn't have to mean subpar. Many budget-friendly doors come with excellent warranties and meet industry standards for security and insulation, ensuring that you get great value for your investment. Expect a wide selection of options that suit your needs, whether you're seeking classic elegance or modern designs. Expert advice and customization. When working with an affordable door replacement service in Birmingham, you can expect personalized consultations to help you choose the right door for your home. Professionals take into account your aesthetic preferences, budget, and functional needs. Whether you're looking for a front door that boosts curb appeal or a patio door that maximizes natural light, they will help you find the perfect solution. Custom sizing, finishes, and hardware options may also be available, allowing you to tailor the door to your exact specifications without breaking the bank. This attention to detail ensures that you achieve both the look and functionality you desire. Efficient and professional installation. Affordable door replacement services don't cut corners when it comes to installation. Professional installers are trained to ensure that doors fit perfectly, seal tightly, and operate smoothly. This expertise is essential for maximizing energy efficiency, enhancing security, and preventing drafts or leaks. Expect the installation process to be handled efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. Most reputable companies will provide a clear timeline for the project, so you know exactly what to expect. Professional installation ensures that your door performs as intended, providing long-term value and peace of mind. Transparent pricing with no hidden costs. Worrying about hidden fees is a common concern when working with home improvement services, but trustworthy door replacement companies in Birmingham prioritize transparency. Before starting the project, you'll receive a detailed estimate outlining the costs of materials, labor, and any additional services. This approach allows you to budget accurately and avoid unexpected expenses. Additionally, many affordable services offer flexible payment plans or financing options, making it easier to manage costs without compromising on quality. Clear communication and upfront pricing ensure that there are no unpleasant surprises along the way. Energy efficiency improvements. New doors can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Affordable door replacement services often include energy-efficient models designed to reduce heat transfer, prevent drafts, and maintain indoor temperatures. In Birmingham's fluctuating climate, this can lead to substantial savings on heating and cooling costs. By investing in an energy-efficient door, you not only reduce your utility bills but also increase the comfort of your home. Affordable doesn't mean sacrificing performance. Many cost-effective doors come with insulated cores and advanced sealing technologies. Enhanced home security. Your door is one of the first lines of defense for your home, and affordable replacement services take security seriously. Modern doors often come with upgraded locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials that make it harder for intruders to gain access. These features provide peace of mind without requiring a high price tag. Professional installers will ensure that all security features are properly aligned and functional, giving you a safer home without compromising your budget. Improved curb appeal. Replacing an old, worn-out door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Affordable door replacement services offer a range of stylish options, from sleek contemporary designs to timeless classics. A new door can serve as the focal point of your home's exterior, creating a warm and inviting entrance that leaves a positive impression. Boosting your home's curb appeal can increase its value and make it stand out in the Birmingham housing market. With professional guidance, you'll find a door that complements your home's style without exceeding your budget. Affordable solutions for Birmingham homeowners. Affordable door replacement services in Birmingham offer more than just cost savings. They provide access to quality products, expert installation, and valuable energy and security improvements. By choosing the right service, you can enhance your home's appearance, boost its efficiency, and improve security, all while keeping costs manageable. Expect professional guidance, transparent pricing, and a beautiful, functional door that meets your needs and budget. It's an investment in your home that pays off in comfort, value, and peace of mind.